what we miss going too quickly is easily captured by going a slower speed. You'll notice that the edges of objects do not appear crisp. That's because this technology eliminates the third dimension. It is not legal to be using this technology in my neighborhood. I need it removed. It shouldn't be an issue, but it's a huge issue. And it's got to end. I have not signed up for any of this, yet I'm subjected to it every single day. Nobody who is in recovery should have an environment altered like this. And no executive branch authority ever has the authority to punish somebody for doing something in the privacy of their own home. So this is highly illegal, and it needs to stop. Plain and simple.